OS College, tutorials about Office suites for Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and mobile devices. Instructions for this video about LibreOffice can be used on the Windows, Mac OS, and all Linux versions of the Office suite.
QR codes can be created in LibreOffice Writer, Calc, Impress, and Draw. One of the things they are useful for is directing anyone who scans the code with a phone to a specific web address. QR codes are often used by businesses to direct potential customers to websites they want them to see, such as a promotional website for a product, or to direct employees to a website that contains important information. This video, from OS College, demonstrates how to insert a QR code in LibreOffice that directs people to a specific website. The standard toolbar user interface will be used in this video. A flyer, created in Impress, will be the example document. In a document that you want to place a QR code, such as this flyer about a LibreOffice Users Club, first click the Insert menu, then highlight the OLE Object submenu and click QR and barcode in that menu. Note, older versions of LibreOffice may label the submenu as simply Object, rather than OLE Object. Clicking QR and barcode launches a QR and barcode dialog. Step 2 is to open a web browser and go to the specific web page that you want the QR code to link to. Select the entire web address. Copy it. Then return to the LibreOffice document and the QR code and barcode dialog, and paste the web address in the URL text box. After pasting the web address, choose the level of error correction. Higher levels will restore more of the embedded data if the QR code becomes damaged or contaminated. The higher levels increase the file size of the document, but are better for dirtier environments, such as factories. Click the circle for the desired level of error correction. Next, set the amount of space that surrounds the QR code by typing a number in the margin text box. You also can click the up and down arrow buttons to adjust the margin. In some operating systems, there may be plus and negative buttons, rather than up and down arrows. In the Type drop-down menu, keep the selection as QR code. When you are done, click the OK button. The QR code will now be inserted in your document. The code is treated as an image, and you can click on it to drag it to the desired position. You can test the QR code by scanning it with the camera app on your iPhone. It also can be tested with an Android phone. Some Android phones have a QR code reader built into their camera apps, like an iPhone, but you may need to install a QR reader app on some phones. This video has given a brief overview of how to embed a web address in a QR code with LibreOffice. Thank you for watching. There are also other videos about LibreOffice on the OS College YouTube channel and website, oscollege.com. Please click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video to receive notifications of other videos from OS College.